I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. You can contact me with this information. Today, we're going to continue with our SQL Accounting System GST module tutorial. Before we go into system, please make sure you do receive this letter from custom after your GST registration. In this letter, it will stated what is your GST taxable period, quarterly or monthly. For those company, your yearly turnover is more than 5 million ringgit, then it will be monthly basis just like this company. In this letter also, it will tell you what is your first GST taxable period. For this company is 1st of April until 30th of April. Then the last day of GST submission will be on 31st of May 2015. Please take note, for those quarterly basis company, if your financial year end does not fall under December, then your first submission may not be 3 months, maybe in 1 month or 2 months. This is because there will be a slight alignment for your financial year and GST taxable period. But no worry, it will clearly stated in this letter. So do make sure you receive this letter and look into it and make sure when is your first submission. It's very, very important. For system wise, it's very simple. We go to SQL accounting system. What you need to do is just go to GST, click on new GST return, and you can state when is your submissions. For example, you are monthly basis, then clearly you need to put is 31st of April 2015. Then you just click process. For those company is in quarterly basis, then you should put 30th of June 2015 and then click process. Done. System will automatically calculate for you what is your total output tax and total input tax, and by minus out total input tax from your output tax, then you get your GST amount payable, meaning that this will be the amount you need to pay to custom. Let's look at GST 03. Click over here. So you can see that the GST 03 form, which is the form that you need to submit to custom for your GST, already filled up for you. So you do not need to worry about the calculation of GST in this form. Many people ask me, Brian, can I fill up this form manually and do submission? Yes, you can, but my personal opinion, it will be very difficult. Why? Because many people will think that output tax is the total sales multiplied by 6%. That's all. But in actual, it's not only that. What I can show you is, let's say we want to check on output tax. This is your total output tax, 270.01. For checking wise, what you need to do is just to double click on this amount. It will show you a listing of all the transactions that contribute to that amount. From here, you can see that this will be the document date, the actual tax date, tax code, document amount, the GST amount, document number, and document type. Let's click at the column title from document type. We can see that CN stands for credit note, DN debit note, delivery order. Why there is delivery order is because of 21 days rules. GI stands for gift, invoice stands for sales, SO stands for sales order. Why there is sales order? Because of deposit. And from here, you can see that there are so many type of transaction will contribute to one single column or one single field, output tax. How can you to get a listing for all these transactions to calculate GST for output tax? If you do it manually, without using a system. And nevertheless, there are more. Will bad debt relief contribute to output tax? Will bad debt recovery contribute to output tax? Yes. So how can you calculate it manually? It's very, very difficult, because any wrong calculations may lead you to penalty or jail term. So I do encourage everyone must get a accounting system, GST compliance accounting system, to help you in any GST transaction. This is to minimize any human error. So you can do the checking. Let's say you want to drill down for these transactions. What you need to do is just double click. It will drill down again to the source document, and you can check the document manually. So this is GST tax checking. For submissions, either you can print this out, or you can actually export to others format and upload this to customer through your GST tab account. So this is basically how easy it is for GST in SQL accounting system to process and get the GST 03 done. And the system is intelligent enough. Let's say if you want to process for the next round of GST 03, system will already know that you are in quarterly basis, and it will show over here. So the next process will be July, August, and September. You just click add process will do. Then you get your second time of GST 03. So that's all for today. Please do drop by at my Facebook and like my Facebook page, so you can get the latest information regarding GST and also SQL accounting system. Thank you. I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies.